How to use Periscope for marketing. Periscope connects with Twitter, making it a great tool to grow your customer base and business. It provides innovative ways to connect with potential followers. Live streaming is slowly gaining traction in the social media market. It hasn't experienced the explosion that Instagram and other social media platforms have, but it increases steadily in users. Periscope for marketing. There are many ways you can use Periscope live streaming for marketing purposes. It can be used for product unveilings, sneak peeks, and similar stuff. Live streaming gives your business personality and makes you relatable to your audience. Unveiling new products. When you begin unveiling new products, there are several different methods your audience may find intriguing. You can start with a clever unboxing, building suspense with lighting or sound. Be sure to talk about the key points of your product to build interest. Beta reveal. When you plan to release something in beta, use live streaming to show it off. Releasing a beta version of your product typically means you are looking for people to help you test it and give feedback. Use this social media tactic to reach people interested in being beta testers. Sneak peek. Providing your audience with a first-hand sneak peek at your newest offering makes them feel special. Answer questions and interact with them to show them you are connected and engaged. Give immediate insights on upcoming items and request feedback. Go behind the scenes. Connect with your followers by taking them on a trip behind the scenes. A quick tour of your personal life, a glimpse of what goes on behind the curtain, or a behind-the-scenes interview with a product engineer gets people excited and eager to know more. A couple examples include a Q&A session and providing insights on upcoming items. Real-time customer support. Using Periscope to leverage your customer support strategy is an innovative way to engage with the people who need your help the most. Periscope's ability to record content allows your customers to play a video back at a later time, which is helpful when correcting an issue that takes multiple steps. Create tutorials. Enhance customer support by creating tutorials. Real-time training sessions help alleviate some of the pain points customers feel when using your product. You can provide customer support by teaching someone something for free, making them feel like they get more value for their investment. What do you get? Instant credibility. What do clients get? Confidence in their dealings with you. Brand decisions. Including followers in the decision-making process boosts customer loyalty. It allows them to have a say in the development or design of your product, making them feel invested and valued. Involving your followers to be part of the creation process makes them more secure, turning to you for their future needs. Live events. Showcase live events like impromptu question and answer sessions or discussion panels with industry leaders. When used correctly, Periscope is a useful tool for driving both customer growth and consumer loyalty. Have fun. Use Periscope to convey your business's personality and have fun doing it. By creating things with your team like music videos, mock game shows, or silly posts, you show your goofy side, make people laugh, and generate buzz around your brand. Periscope is a useful tool. It can drive both customer growth and consumer loyalty. Find new and innovative ways for Periscope to work for you and your business. Periscope is not as popular as Facebook or Twitter, but that doesn't mean you can't create unique and different content to connect with your audience. If you got a lot of value and want more useful tips, subscribe below. Have a great day.